Okay, Heather, hello. This is 261 Arcadian. Let's do the final walkthrough. Uh, First of all, see the door jambs. They looked a little bit rough. Sometimes I'll just paint those a little bit, even though I don't say I will, just to make them look better. All right, this is the dining room. Okay, good. And let's go in the bedroom. Okay, this is the bedroom by the front door. Okay. And this is the ugly orange room that I talked about. You saw pictures on the email. So I painted it this kind of neutral beigey type color. And I think that looks a lot better for the bathroom. Okay, let's kind of circle around. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the stairwell. Take a quick peek up there. All right. This is the main room. Let's check out those ceiling fans. Sometimes that's where cleaners will miss. It looks like it's good enough. Maybe not perfect. All right, and this is the kitchen. Let's go check out the dishwasher. It looks like they did run the dishwasher, so it does work. I see a few spots there. I might get a paper towel and wipe those little spots right there. This is the oven I think you're going to replace. I mean, right now it looks fine, but sometimes when you close it, it just doesn't seal shut. So you wanted to know about it. It's a Whirlpool self-cleaning oven. It's like it's electric. Good. Make sure the cabinets are good. Okay. Drawers. Okay. Good. Good. All right, the all-important refrigerator. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay. Excellent. Well done, Pilar. Looks like it works fine. When you come off the kitchen, this was the room that was red. And I just made the decision to paint it a beige color. I didn't think you'd want red. No worry about the charge. As I'm walking around the house, I see a few things that aren't perfect with the cleaning, although I think you'll be fine with it. But anyways, I painted these rooms, and I think this will make the place look a lot better. Maybe if there's nothing major you see wrong, I'll feel better about if they missed a spot or two cleaning. I'm a bit OCD, so probably when I say it's missed a spot or two, you would say it's fine. Let's go ahead and go in the basement. All right, so the basement, I think the carpet's been saved for a rental property. You don't have to worry about replacing it. If you remember, there's a lot of really bad stains. It's still not perfect, but for a basement, I think you'll be okay. There is one thing I want to pull, like I did some touch up of trim. Like this was an ugly brown color. I made it white. Also, if I remember correctly, it was a while back. I believe I painted all this trim here and wiped it down. There, you may have a musty issue down here. I'm not sure. This was the one spot that concerns me with the carpet cleaning that didn't come out. And I think it's just a stain that didn't come out. The rest of it did really well. I don't think that's a leak. Looks like some type of water damage. You may want to have your inspector ask about that. This is the purple room that I told you about that I didn't think you'd want. It's kind of a man cave where a guy would keep his tools, and I suspect he didn't want a soft pastel purple in his room. So I did it also a dark beige color, and like there's the purple that it used to be in the closets, but I think this looks a lot better, especially more neutral. So okay, good. And no, all right, let's go upstairs now. Oh no, we got a couple more rooms here to go through. All right, this is the back bedroom. That looks a lot better. I think there was some hole there or something, I believe. This is the water main. If anybody asks you where the water main cutoff is, it's right there in this back room. And that's the, I can't think of the word to pull back over it when you guys are good, but I'll leave that there for the inspector or what have you. All right, the closet. That one didn't have a cover. All right, this is the back bathroom. This looks really good. Let's look at the toilet. Okay. You know, I remember there being some like kind of mildew or mold down in this basement that I did a lot of wiping of cleaner, of like a cleaner for. So it's probably okay, but that may come up. What is this? You know what? Reggie must have scraped that with his cords. Shoot. I think I've got some paint in the garage. I'll see if I can touch that up. I think my carpet cleaner, when he was down here, maybe his hoses scratched that up. So I'll come touch that up before I leave today. And if it doesn't work good enough, when you guys do the inspection, just tell me. If I have to come back and touch up some things, I will. All right, this is the upstairs. And it's really nice. Let's go through the rooms. This is that back bedroom where the girl painted pink on her walls. Looks a lot better now. Yep. Okay. I didn't paint their closet. I did test some colors in there, but I kind of hid it. I think it'll be fine. All right, let's go through. This bathroom looked really good. I didn't even have to paint it all in here. Just looked great. Let's check it out. Good job. Okay. Strange bedroom over here. They have like this trim in here. I don't know if it's an office or what it's supposed to be, but that should look better now. All right. And we'll go to the master. Can't wait to tell much in these videos, can you? All right, this is the master bedroom. Okay. You might remember there was some like old hooks on that wall spot right there that I recall. Something was right there. Okay. Bathroom. Good. I like clean windowsills. This is their little bathroom. Okay. Stand-up shower. It had a lot of mildew in it. Looks better. Nice big walk-in closet. This could be a bedroom, it's so big. Okay. And the last thing we'll look at is that bonus room over the garage. Big room here. So all right, so let me just kind of finish up by saying thank you so much for doing this job. It was a good one, and I'm happy to do any other jobs for you. And also, I know everybody looks at different things with different importance. So if you guys come in here and you see something that is important to you that I did not touch, just let me know. I'll learn your style, and I hope to work with you in the future and help you turn these homes. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you next time.